Everything is rosy now. Looking at the
the wonderful sound of four-part harmony. This is the City of Lights Chorus, and this is Barbershop.
Don't wink your eye, no sir, you needn't guess. I'll confess, certain someone just said yes. In a bungalow, all covered with roses, I will settle down, I vow, I vow. That's why I'm looking at the world through rose-colored glasses.
The City of Lights Chorus, a member of the Barbershop Harmony Society, is ready to entertain groups both large and small.
Nobody loves you. You're nobody till somebody cares, somebody cares. Come on with the rain, there's a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain.
The chorus sings barbershop harmony, but also sings other types of music to complete a well-rounded entertainment package.
Time so happy together. I'm calling you up to invest the time, and you say you belong to me, and ease my mind. Imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life.
It had to be you. It had to be you.
We also have barbershop quartets that are sure to put a smile on your face.
Finally found somebody who could make me be true.
Could make me be true.
Could make me feel blue. Make me blue.
'Cause you make me feel so young, and you make me feel so spring has sprung. And every time I see you grin, I'm such a happy individual. The moment that you speak, I want to go.
If you need entertainment for your group and are looking for something different, you won't be disappointed with the City of Lights Chorus. We can tailor a package to meet your requirements. We have an extensive repertoire and can work with you to make sure the audience enjoys a show they will remember for a long, long time.
We're really all aglow. We hope you like the show. We had a lot of fun, and so we'd like to let you know how lovely it was. Thanks for the memory of four-part harmony, those songs for you and me. Of all the folks we met, we know we never will forget.